Hello there, right over there. Fancy seeing you here. I didn't see you so far away. I'm glad you're here because today I want to show you this. It is a Volkswagen Tiguan. That is the official way of saying it. Very nice car this, on a 16 plate, 90,000 miles, fantastic history. And in this video, I'll show you all around it so you know what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to take it for a test drive. Let's take a look. Now, this is a 2-litre diesel engine with a manual gearbox. We like a manual gearbox on these. It is finished in this beautiful black and it is in very good condition. I'm going to show you, it's got a couple of marks on it as you'd expect with the age and mileage of a car like this, but it has been very well looked after. So much so that it's recently had the timing belt changed. It's had a new clutch and dual mass flywheel, and we're going to deliver it to you with a new 12-month MOT. It'll come with a 3,000 mile warranty as standard, but there are also 6-month and 12-month warranty options available. Check those out on our website. Now this car will do 53 miles to the gallon. Very handy in these fuel times. It's got 148 brake horsepower. It's had 2 previous owners. I can just about get around the back of it to show you what it's like. And it's insurance group 20E. We'll have a closer look in a moment, but I just wanted to show you all of that. We've got 2 keys, remote central lock-in, and lots of other spec, but let's have a little close-up look. So you've got front fog lights, front parking sensors all round. Coming around the front here, a couple of minor marks on the bonnet, and a couple of minor chips around the front end there. You can see those in this video. Little mark here. Alloy wheels in good condition here. Nice design, plenty of tread on those tyres. Coming down the driver's side, a couple of marks on the wing mirror. Little mark here, parking dent, slight little crease here. And then coming down the passenger side, looking pretty good. Just show you in the back while I'm here. Lots of space, and what I love about the Tiguans is if you've got kids, they will love that little picnic table. Put their iPad on it or their McDonald's Happy Meal. That's how I parent my children. Around the back here, you can see this wheel, good condition. Little mark here on the back, rear parking sensors. You get twin exhausts. Very good sized boot here. We haven't got a parcel shelf for it, but plenty of space. This lifts up for a spare wheel. This one pops down, as you can see, giving your kids a cup holder, or you can put lots of stuff in the boot. Long things like skis and other long things I can't think of. Fishing rods. Here, this wheel, all looking good. Plenty of tread on that tyre. Coming down this side, couple of minor marks here and here. Everything else looking nice. And this alloy wheel, good condition too. Lots of tread on that tyre. Windscreen, all looking good. You've got chrome roof rails, and we will jump inside and I'll show you what it's like in there. Right, as I say, 2 keys, central lock-in. Pop that open. They're very comfortable cars to drive these. 4-wheel drive. I will jump in. I have jumped in, but I will start it up and show you all is good. Actually, you don't actually need to put the key in. You just keep it in your pocket. You do have a start button here. So over here we have got electric windows. You've got central lock-in. Down here you've got automatic windows, not windows, headlights. Steering wheel mounted controls here for your phone. Over here you've got radio. You have with DAB, as you can see. I'll zoom in slightly for you. We've got media. You can plug in your Bluetooth devices, and obviously you've got Bluetooth phone. It's got navigation too. Dual zone climate control, air conditioning. Down here you've got the clever parking function. You can turn off the parking sensors. And here you've got aux in and USB. 6-speed manual, automatic handbrake. And that is your locking wheel nut, and 2 cup holders there for your lattes. As you can see, interior very, very nice. Lots of space, comfortable, and a very functional car this. And as you can see on the dash, Just under 90,000 miles, no warning lights, apart from that, me with the handbrake on and off, and me not wearing a seatbelt. Now, in terms of history, this car has been very well looked after, as we've mentioned in the advert and I mentioned at the start. It will be handed over to you with a new 12-month MOT. You'll also get that 3-month warranty as standard. Slightly move that camera. 3-month warranty is standard. You can upgrade to a 6-month one or a 12-month one if you so wish. Previous services recorded. Now, this is a 2016 car, so it's had services in 27, February and December, so 2 there. 2018, 2020, 21, 22 in February, 22 in August with that Cambelt, 2023 with the clutch and dual mash flywheel, 2024 and 2025. We'll also be giving this a service ahead of delivery to you. So this car, very good condition, very well looked after, and we love them. They are fantastic family vehicles, these. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, drop me a line. I'm James. You can find me at james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. Drop me a WhatsApp via our website, clevercarcollection.com, and you can see loads of pictures of this car on our website. Just check those out. We show you absolutely everything, like we've done in this video, because we want you to be fully aware of the condition of this car before you bother coming down to see it. But if you do, I'm sure you will be driving it away. Also, while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of the 5-star service we give all of our customers. And we've won highly rated for our customer service 2 years running from Auto Trader, and we're very proud of it too. And that starts with giving people like you the best possible service when you come to see brilliant cars like this one. Right, I hope this video has been useful. Oh, last thing to mention, we do offer nationwide delivery, so if you want this car dropped to your door, it's £1.50 a mile from our base in Gosport, so you can probably work that quote out for yourself. If you have got any questions, drop me a line. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.